the Bookstore, written by Ethan Smith, illustrated by June Julie. This is a bookstore. It has many kinds of books. There are many shelves full of books. Many people like to read books. A boy sits in the corner of the store reading a book. It must be an interesting book. A woman and her little girl choose a book from the shelf. There are two girls reading a comic book. One of them points to a picture. They both laugh because it is funny. A man pays for his son's books. A bookstore is a wonderful place to find good books.